Bitcoin could hit 100,000 within a year. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what part of the world you are in. Welcome to Crypto Bulls on Parade. Where my bulls at? Where my bulls at? Today is April 14th, 2022. And the price of Bitcoin right now, as of 10:27 a.m., is 40,494. Guys, do me a huge favor. This is a brand new channel. Like the video, helps with the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification button so that you can be notified whenever I do post a new video. And I'm planning on doing these, if not every day, at least every other day. Make sure you click the all notifications whenever you do that. That way you can be notified every single time I post a new video. We're not doing much right now. We got some news to go over. One of the things that I like to do is follow where smart money is going. One of the guys I like to follow is Michael Saylor. So we're going to check out a tweet that I saw him put it up earlier this morning. It says this: if you can't buy all of Twitter, you can still buy a fraction of Bitcoin. Leave me a comment, guys. Tell me if you know what that means. Do you know what that actually means? Who was it that bought a bunch of Twitter here recently? This is a pretty cool article we're going to go over. It says Bitcoin could hit 100,000 within a year. Crypto firm CEO predicts. This right here says Bitcoin could hit 100,000 within a year. The CEO of crypto lending firm Nexo has predicted. Anthony Trinchev told CNBC he thinks the world's biggest cryptocurrency can surge above 100,000 within 12 months. He said he's worried about Bitcoin's short-term prospects, suggesting it may fall in tandem with traditional financial markets as the Federal Reserve starts unwinding its massive monetary stimulus program. But that may in turn give further impetus to crypto. He added, as a crash in stocks would likely mean the U.S. central bank eventually goes back to easing in no time. Quantitative easing. What do you guys think about that? Do you think Bitcoin is bullish short term? Or do you think we are in a short-term bear market? Or do you think we're in a long-term bear market? Guys, write me a comment. Let me know what you think. Check this out. This is pretty interesting. It's pretty old news, about 2 days old, but I think it's really cool and I wanted to talk about it. Robinhood adds Shiba Inu, Solana, Polygon, and Compound to its crypto offerings. I have a Robinhood account. I was really glad to see that they did this, man. Robinhood adds Shiba Inu. I'm not a huge fan of Shiba Inu. I think it's a speculatory. Is that a word? Speculatory. It's all speculation on that coin. Solana. I'm a big fan of Solana. Polygon. Big fan of Polygon. Compound. Big fan of Compound. Shiba Inu, I don't really care about. I made a little bit of money off that just to do it. Honestly, whenever it was running up, just put some money in and it came back out. That's not something I want to hold long term, but I do not have any Solana. I want to get some Solana. I do have some Matic. I do have some Compound, a little bit of both of those. I would like to add to my holdings. Maybe on this dip, I might do that. But one of the things I want to tell you guys is I was a part of whenever Coinbase I had Bitcoin Cash in whenever they did a fork and they split off into Bitcoin SV and Bitcoin Cash. So I had some SV, but then Coinbase made it to where you couldn't sell your SV. You can still sell the Coinbase Cash, or why do I keep saying Coinbase? You can sell the Bitcoin Cash. You can't sell the Bitcoin SV. And so what was cool was whenever Robinhood added the wallets, I signed up for that. And then I actually recently put put my Bitcoin SV from Coinbase over to Robinhood. Well, I tried last night actually to bring some of my Polygon over to Coinbase, and they don't have a wallet for it yet. So they're like, it's coming soon. And I don't know if you guys agree with me or not, but Robinhood's taking forever getting on board with this crypto. I mean, I appreciate that they're doing anything at all, but I mean, they just feel like they're taking forever. So you guys let me know. Have you had any problems with that? And one of the good things is I was able to transfer my SV from I don't. So to get a little bit deeper into this, whenever there's a fork, two coins are created. I only had a little bit of Bitcoin Cash, and I was given the same exact amount of SV whenever that forked. So but I couldn't do anything with my SV until they opened up that on Robinhood, which is cool. So I transferred it. But another weird thing was whenever I transferred it, said it could take up to 3 days. I'm like, this is crazy. What is going on? This is supposed to be better than, other forms of payment. But whatever, man. We're getting there, right, guys? We're getting there, aren't we? Right now, we are going to. So that's basically all the news I wanted to cover today, or at least for right now. And one of the things I like to do is look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. Today is April 14th. I still love this right here. This time is different. But we are at 28 on the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, and that is showing fear. Yesterday we were in extreme fear, and now we are in fear. Guys, if you would do me a huge favor, like, subscribe, click the notification button so that you can be notified whenever I post up a new video. And if you can, man, hook me up with some likes and some shares and whatever you can do to show me that you want some more of these videos where we cover the news. And write me some comments. Let me know what you guys think about all these things. This Robinhood situation. What do you think? You think we're in a bear market, a short-term bear market, a long-term bear market? Do you think we're in a short-term bull market? What do you think? We'll see you guys next time. I'm outie.